All right, I'm starting a new series called The Road to 100K Funded while my account is in drawdown. So right now I'm currently in 4K, not 3K drawdown. I was in 4K though, but yeah, I'm gonna be documenting it because I feel like I'm ready now to trade. As y'all could probably see from my last time I uploaded, I was trading supply and demand, but I completely stopped that. Supply and demand is a complete fraud. I said, yo, listen to me right now. Do not trade it if you're getting into trading right now, bro. Do not trade supply and demand. Please just take the time to learn ICT concepts and you'll be smooth, bro. But today I'm gonna go over the trade I took. Um, I want to start this like after I had some like gas. I've been winning consistently a little bit. I haven't been risking a lot though. I just been trying to build that confidence back up with a new strategy. So now I feel like I'm ready to come back. I feel like I got something to work with now. And yeah, I'm gonna be back for good now. Daily uploads or very maybe not daily, but super close to daily uploads. Uh, but let's get into the trade today, right? So coming into the day, uh, hopped on the 4 hour here. It's gonna be slow. This laptop is complete dog, so just work with me here. Yeah. But coming into the day here, we have bullish SMT. I have to go to the daily time frame for that, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm just telling you we had daily bullish SMT. I wasn't worried about it because it was super old, so I went to the 4 hour and I seen that we had SMT with ES and NQ right here, right? NQ took this high, ES didn't, and off of that, I was already looking to play bearish because I mean, look at market structure. We're kind of playing in the range here, and we're visiting this 4 hour for value gap. So I was like, okay, um, I might be looking for some shorts here. And also, you already see we have SMT right here. I'm about to drop down time frames to show you guys that one. But we had another bearish SMT confirming that we were pretty much about to go lower. And the thing about that SMT is it was a SMT in a higher time frame PD array, which is it makes it more probable. So yeah, we had another bearish SMT right here, and I was like, okay, we're probably ready to go lower, right? Now at this point, um, oh yeah, also I had the quarterly theory in the confluence with this trade. I didn't put the lines here because it would have been too sloppy, but I it was AMDX. Yeah, it was AMDX for this morning. And then also I actually had a true open as well. We were above true open, so I was looking for shorts for sure. But yeah. So the oh shoot, how do I fix that? Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah. So it was AMDX. I took this off of the 5 minute. It was a bearish unicorn that formed. Like I told you, I was already bearish because of the SMTs. We had SMTs confirming all types of shit. Like, I'm sorry for saying that, but we had like SMTs everywhere telling us that we're bearish, and it was just ready to go lower, right? So, you might be wondering why'd I take it on NQ if ES was the weaker one with all the bearish SMTs? It's because every single time that I would take NQ when it was a weaker or stronger one, it would end up lagging behind, and NQ would be the one like you feel me going to the targets. So I just use ES as a guide, and I also use YM. Today YM I wasn't really looking at it like that. I think YM did have an SMT. No, I didn't use YM as an SMT today. I didn't see anything on YM. But we had this bearish unicorn, like I was saying, right? Feel me? We got the high, low, higher, high, lower, low. Fair value gap over. That's a unicorn, and I got long, like in the middle of the gap here. I wanted to get this order block tap or the CISD tap, but I figured like, it's not gonna give it to me. I might as well just censor my trade before it leaves me. So I took it right here, put my stop above the high with where that SMT was on the 15-minute time frame. Uh, I'm not sure what this is. I think was this a SMT right here? I think. Oh yeah, I think I did use this right because look, we took that high on. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna just remove this. I'm gonna just remove that for right now. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, that's a trade I took. As far as targets went, uh, I had an indicator showing me a London low, Asia low. I'm pretty sure this was London low right here, and that Asia low was all the way down here. This was just a low. Oh, well, it wasn't this low. It was right here. After we took this low right here, I'm pretty sure that was off of. Nah, not that low. It was this low right here. After we took that low, I took half my position off and I left the other half on. Then when we took Asia low, I mean London low, I took another half off, and then Asia low, I took everything off. And yeah, I mean it played out pretty good. I risked 0.33% on the trade, and you guys aren't gonna my executions aren't gonna be here, so you just gotta take my word for it when I show you my P&L. So I only made like 506, which I'm not mad. I mean, I learned the lesson. I got to take it slow when I'm in drawdown now. I mean, I have an issue where I'll be trying to rush things, so I've actually decided now that I'm gonna take my risks. I'm gonna put my risk super low and just work on building that confidence and build my account back up before I start risking like 0.5% again. And I'm never risking 1%. I've never even did that. I just went on a super bad losing streak, risking 0.5%. That got my account into this drawdown. So I'm like, all right, we're done with that. We're either risking 0.33 or 0.25. So yeah, that was pretty much the trade though. Like I said, the confluences we had bearish SMT with ES, multiple bearish SMTs. We had a multiple sell like the lows to target. You guys see the lows. These are like we had clear sell side to target, right? We had this news low. I'm pretty sure that was the news low. We had London low and we had Asia low. Clear side, sell side. We were above true open. We had we're in the distribution phase of actually the quarterly theory. But yeah, I forgot to mention that earlier. We're actually in the distribution phase of the quarterly theory. That was net of confluence, and then yeah, just do a setup with the bearish uni. You know, breaker block plus periodic gap overlapping it, and just put your stop at the high. And that was pretty much the trade. The whole day, the rest of the day, just kind of died off. So imagine I left one runner, bro. Oh my Yo, low key, I might. I don't know. Actually, man, I'm not gonna start doing that. But if I left one runner, let's just look at this. If I just would have left one runner, feel me? I could have got the same bag off that one runner. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade. You can see I made a whole flip from supply and demand, bro. I'll probably make a video going deeper into that, and I really don't want other people falling into that trap, bro. I don't care, bro. Supply and demand is a fraud. I don't care who you tell me is profitable with it. I don't care, bro. ICT concepts is where it's at, and it's gonna get you profitable in day trading, bro. Or at least you feel me. At least I feel like it works better in supply and demand, bro. And there's also another trader too that kind of did the same thing as me with supply and demand, and he switched over to ICT concepts, and he's seeing more progress as well. Like, is this? It's like more precision in this than like supply and demand. Like supply and demand, you don't really figure out a draw on liquidity. You don't really, you feel me, figure out all that stuff. You just mark up your zones according to your confluences, and then you feel me? Like you don't know. Sometimes it makes three zones. You don't know which one is gonna bounce off of, and like yo, it's just so bad. Like there's no precision in it. But with ICC concepts, you have real precision. You have a draw on liquidity. You have things that you can expect to happen. Honestly, I could have marked up standard deviation, but I don't have my things set for it yet. I don't know why I've been holding off. I don't know why, but yeah, if I had standard, oh yeah, and another confluence I had, right? Just talking about standard deviation kind of brought this up in my mind, but we filled equilibrium of this range and we tapped OTE. So that was another confluence I had to go short. And yeah, you can see everything just played out perfectly. Um, we're only in drawdown for a little bit, and then it just started dying off. It now we're literally in drawdown for like well, we're in drawdown up here. We came here, closed down here. Yeah, we're in drawdown for like 5 minutes, right? Like probably a little bit over that, and then you can see we had a huge red candle, another one following that swept that liquidity. That's where I got all of it out, and it was just simple, bro. So like I said, learn ICT concepts. Don't try and find the easy way out. Just learn the ICT concepts, and you'll be good, bro. But that's gonna wrap up the trade recap. Like I said, I do plan on coming back completely and doing the daily uploads to teach you guys, or like not even teach you guys, but to show you guys this journey. Because I feel like I'm ready to bring this account out, and like I'm actually truly ready to like. I feel like I have the knowledge and like the skills to do it now. The confidence is still building. It's not completely there, but it's definitely higher than it was when I was transplanting them in. So yeah, like I said, daily uploads coming back, and yeah, that'll be it for this recap. Hope you guys learned something. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.